Now that's some delicious looking fried rice and kung pao chicken. Did that really come from my kitchen? Yes. How did I do it? Well, first of all, I got a cup of rice and then a cup and a half of water in the pressure cooker. Then I pressure cooked the rice because I don't know how to cook it any other way. It's either going to be over or undercooked. So this is the beginning of the day before I go to work, and I'm just adding it to the fridge to chill it. And now that I'm home from work, let's just sharpen up a knife and then chop up an onion. And then preheat the stove, get the frying pan on the stove, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to the frying pan, and now just spread around the oil, get 2 eggs into a cup, and now get the onion and a pack of frozen vegetables into the frying pan and just stir everything around till everything's nice and tender. Stir the eggs together, and then move everything to the side, add the eggs to the frying pan, and scramble them up. And now just mix everything together, get the chilled rice into the frying pan too. And well, that's some old footage, how did that get in there? Okay, so anyway, get the rice in the frying pan and then just mix everything together again till the rice is heated up. Then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And now stir everything together again and get the cooked fried rice into the bowl off to the side for now. And now for the kung pao chicken. Well, thank you Trader Joe's for making the kung pao chicken kit. All that I can say is just follow exactly what Trader Joe says to do on the kung pao chicken kit, because if you try to do it any other way, at least if you're me, then you're going to create something that is not edible at all. So yeah, just stir everything together and heat it up and get into the bowl of the fried rice, and there you have it, kung pao chicken and fried rice. Thank you Trader Joe. But wait a second, it's missing something. What is it missing? Well, Sriracha. Always could use a little bit of Sriracha. There we go. Delicious.